Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright, welcome to Patois Chronicles, guys. Yes, for today I'm showcasing our coffee. Yes, in Jamaica, you come here, you have to drink some Blue Mountain Peak coffee. See me note it up there.
You think it's possible for me, but I know you think it's possible. Guys, watch this entire video now. Boom.
Next panelist, so we're gonna go right in there now. America. Yes, people, America. You know, say, Master son, I got America. Yes, big boy, I got America. Maxine, me say from me, the top 4 price. Me know my chest is a burn me overnight food. Yeah, mama, me I tell him I got America. And some will say America. Some will say I'm a foreign. Alright? So you got a foreign in no matter which part you go. A foreign. In English language now, Mr. Joe's son big boy is leaving for America. Alright, so if you want to say Miss Joe's son in the name big boy, go look on him birth certificate and you will know. So of course here in Jamaica, we oftentimes we label our children with Mas, you know, with our parents. If your name is Sonia, you'll know your little Miss Sonia and so and so. So next panelist, possible. Yes, here in Jamaica, you oftentimes hear we say possible. Yes, it's true. You think it possible for me to go now? You think it possible for the shop to open now, and even though a lockdown thing, you think it possible? People, you think it possible? Me no know. But here in Jamaica, possible. Now we're gonna make you know in a little bit what it means in English. Alright? So say it with me. Possible. Remember, you're going to give a better attitude as a Jamaican, you know. Yes. And you're going to laugh at them things. So, alright? Possible. So, here in English now. Hi, Mona, or Maya, or Phoebe, or Felicia. Is it possible for me to get my hair done tomorrow? Nisha, is it possible for me? So, possible. The word is possible. But here in Jamaica, we will say possible. Alright? It's possible for me. It's possible. Next panelist, member. Alright? Member for buy the yam. Oh, they. Member for give me the yam. Member, you know? Hey, the promise me. And that is another word will come in one day. Promise. Yes. So, member for buy the yam. Member for come to Jamaica. Member.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
So let's go and see what this is in English language. Remember, so please remember to purchase the yam. Sonia, please remember to purchase the yam, okay? So, member, patois, remember. English. So you come here and say, boy, and Jamaicans, we don't speak bad. We are unique. And we should love up our culture. Yes, guys, we're here right now down to the end of Patois Chronicles. Thank you very much for coming. See you on Thursday at 6 p.m. Morning Glory at 6 a.m. Alright? Bye.